Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss an option used to define the rate for excise amount calculation. To configure this, open Purchase Voucher configuration and navigate to Other Settings. Here, you will find the option Rate for Excise Amount, which provides a list of available rate options. Among these, MRP is the most commonly used rate in ERP for excise amount calculation. Once you select the desired option, save the configuration and create a new purchase voucher. Then, proceed to transact the item. In the View Totals section, you can see the calculated cess amount, which is computed based on the selected rate, MRP. Additionally, you can enable relevant columns from Setup Columns attributes to display details such as the cess percentage and the rate used for excise cess amount calculation.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.